Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to download DaVinci Resolve. To do that, firstly, you should open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, and enter in search engine DaVinci Resolve download. Then find DaVinci Resolve download page. You can open blackmagic.com/events/DaVinci Resolve DaVinci Resolve download. Okay, then just here scroll down. For example, I here have enabled Polish language, but we should switch to English. And here find your operation system and just click download Windows. If it asks you about any details, so you can provide any random data, and click download. Wait a while and cool. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.